Hi everyone, we are going to make program under C++ control structure. So what is control structure? Those instructions or statement which control the execution of program under condition decision. The first we have if condition. So we use if condition when only one or single condition is required to control the execution of program. So let's make a program under if condition. Include iostream.h include conio.h void main curly brackets integer will be day. Clear screen, cout, enter day. Then we have to put the day, then if condition. So conditional expression is the combination of operators and operands. So day is equal to 7 if day is equal to 7, then the outcome will be off. Get ch curly bracket. Now we have an integer which is the day and clear screen cout. Then we have condition if day is equal to 7. We know that we have 7 days in a week, and in every week we have a holiday. So on which day there must be a holiday? So I put that on which day there will be a holiday, which is 7. So if the day is equal to 7, there will be a holiday, which means off. So let's compile the program to trace the errors. So we have 0 error. Now run the program. So we compile the program through over here, and to run the program, now we have to put 7. So the 7th day is off.